Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with a niche video series. I'll be designing for different niches of the month. So I am kind of retracting a little bit. I am going to start with January because I just decided to do this idea. I'm going to take 3 niches from each month. I'm going to do the random wheel and pick one and show you guys how I designed for it in Canva, just to give you guys some design ideas. I don't know if these are going to be short videos. I don't know if these are going to be long videos, but during the design process, I'm probably not going to do a lot of talking, more so probably inserting maybe some music, or it'll just pretty much be quiet during those times that I'm designing. But I will show you guys how I find ideas. Sometimes I do have ideas off the top of my brain just based off of like a design prompt that I have been doing over on Clubhouse in my club. But we are going to start with the January niches, so I'll just be designing for different niches monthly. So I'm going to go over to before we go to that, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So I'm going to go over to the wheel of names, and for January I pick wedding, diet, and workout. I'm just going to go ahead and spin the wheel, and whatever one pops up, I'll do a design for it. Maybe with the other ones, maybe I'll do like a t-shirt, a journal, and then maybe like a mug. I don't know. Let me know once I release the first video. So maybe I'll do, say I do workout, and I'll do that on a t-shirt design, and then maybe the next one will be a journal design, and then maybe it could be an interior or something like that. I think that's like the top 3 things that you guys love on this channel. So the first one I'll do is a workout t-shirt, and of course, you know, I design in Canva. I just did a 5,000 by 5,000. I'm gonna just go ahead and name it workout t-shirt. Of course, depending on where you upload at, you will have to change your dimensions, but just for these purposes of designing, I'm just going to use 5,000 by 5,000. So I know like workout memes and things work well, so I'm going to type out workout memes, see if I can find some wording, and then maybe some workout quotes. Keep your squats low and your standards high. Of course, I struggle, I just don't quit. When in doubt, work out. That's so simple. Love it. Feel the pump. When in doubt. I like that. When in doubt, work out. So I'm going to use that one. So one of the things I do love is using some of the texts and font combinations that they already have over here on Canva. So I'm going to see if there's any one that I love. I do kind of like this one. So we'll see what it looks like. And then I'm going to add a page in case I find another one that I really, absolutely, truly love. So we'll see. And I'm going to try this one out. Okay, so I'm going to go to that first one. I'm going to pull that open. So the wording was, when in doubt, work out. Okay, so I'm going to ungroup this really quick because I want to get to the wording. So the word here is work out. And if you guys want to change the color and you're not used to changing the color on these effects with Canva, depending on the color that you want, I have like different, different colors for my brand. My brand has a lot of purple. So I'm probably going to do a dark purple with this one. And then if you hit effects, you can see the outer color that you can choose for this. So I'm just going to do black because that'll make it stand out more. And then I'm just going to hit the other word, beach. And then I'm going to write the word when in doubt. And I'm going to stretch this out. And then I'm going to make it smaller. I don't want to change the slant because I actually kind of like that. Because I did move it. So let's make it smaller first, and then see if we can just do this. So when in doubt, work out. So I can't remember if it was behind or in front. Okay, so it's there. When in doubt, work out. So I'm going to change the color to something else for the when in doubt. I might change that to black and then have the background purple. So again, hit effects, change that background to purple. So you have that. I'm gonna grab these and I'm gonna group it again. Bring that down a little bit. So I have this. I don't know if you can really see the word, so I'm gonna ungroup it a little again, and I'm just gonna bring the word workout down just a little bit, or maybe over some. So like you can still see what it says. Okay. And you can also make this smaller. Again, it's like depends on your placement. So like I can do like this and push this up just a little bit. And then can make this into a group. And then if you wanted to like turn it, but I kind of like that slant on it. So I just created a new design and it just says when in doubt, workout. Okay. So that was simple. And then you can add elements. So like, let's see, workout. So maybe you wanted to add like one of these barbell things or something like that. I don't like that one because it's kind of open-ended. So maybe let's find a solid one. So something like that. And you can add that to this picture, turn it whatever way you need it. You can make it smaller. You can add more than one. You can change the size, position, whatever makes you feel good about it. You probably could add another one and do them like crisscross. So you would just turn this one, and then you have like these two coming across each other like that. Also, let's group this and make it a little bit bigger, and then bring this back down. So that just added a different little texture to the design. Again, you have like the muscle. You can, let's see, lines. So there's always different lines and things that you can use. Like you can do something like this. I'm gonna make this smaller. And I'm gonna flip that just a little bit. I wanna make it longer, but I don't want that line that thick. But that's still not too bad. Then I can change that line to like black. And that just adds like a different layer to it. That line to me is too thick. So I don't really like that one. But I do, you know, another thing that I know I see a lot of people do as well. They use these little things like that. So if you wanted to add some of these things here, if you ever was like, oh, how do people get these little things around the designs? This is it. So I just typed in lines, and if I want to put one up here over this word, could add that here. Probably would need to make this smaller, but you get the vibe that I'm going for. So it would be off the page. So let me just copy all this, bring it down smaller so you guys can see. So we've taken it from a little Canva text. We've added some depth into it and made it something a little bit more unique and completely different than what we first started with. So now we have a whole new design. They have a lot of these different things here. And like I said, you can change it from whatever you want. with the workout thing, but it just changed it into a whole totally different design. So, and then I'm going to use this and I'm going to ungroup it, and we're going to take the, we'll probably leave that. And so when in doubt, I'm going to pull this out. And it has that like slanted effect. Pull that to the middle. And then, oh, pull that back. Has that slant effect. And then the words work out. You can pull that up some if you want to. You can leave it in black, and you could put anything like, let's see. I'm gonna put don't quit, because that's like something in like people say don't quit. And that's a whole different t-shirt there. So just super simple, when in doubt, work out, and then like a little inspiration, don't quit. Again, we can go back to like the workout meme, not the meme, but like the little things. And you have this. Again, I really don't like that one because it does not mesh well with the logos. But there's, you know, different things, like you can use something like this, and you can actually use this here, and then you can take the don't quit and put it here, and it can be smaller like that. So it's just all about like adding depth to your design. So we just created 2 really quick workout designs that you can see here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make them, I forgot how you do the full page. There you go. So we have when in doubt, work out. We used an effect in Canva, use these little lines. Looking at it now, I would probably turn this in a little bit more towards the T. I would probably move this over a little bit, but that's the joy of creating your own designs. You can fix it and move it until you are happy. And then we just did a simple text space, when in doubt, work out. I would probably go back in and change this to completely black. Just so you can see it better. But again, like I said, that's the joy. And then it's always good to look at your designs and see. So now that was like a little black, but now I have it like that. So also you can straighten this up if you don't like the little slant effect. And like I said about this, I can come back in here and change that and turn it a little bit more into it. I can move this over, and I still have a really good design that I created in Canva from a Pinterest meme about workouts. So just wanted to show you guys the January niche of working out, because every time a new year starts, people want to work out. So here are some ideas, and of course you can use a Pinterest meme, Pinterest quotes to get ideas. Again, always make sure you do trademark checks. Make sure no one has trademark when in doubt, work out before you even go to this step. But I'm more focusing on the design part. I am not your parent, so be careful and beware of what you design, and make sure you're not infringing on anyone's right. I'm just here designing. I probably wouldn't design a lot of workout stuff, just because that's just not a niche I focus on. But if I focus on like trendy designs and just get into the cash, then I definitely would kind of do something like this. So you can still actually upload in the workout niche right now. It's not just a January thing, but I just wanted to focus on three different niches for each month. So I hope you guys enjoy this different type of video. And the next January niche, I'll be doing a journal. And then the last one, I will do a interior for like a book or journal or something like that. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have been getting comments about me speaking louder. I do use a small mic to record. I don't know how loud. I have my computer at 100, so I'm sorry if it's hard to hear me, but I do not like to scream, because then that is super hard on my voice. So I'm just trying to adjust that. I don't do a lot of editing on these videos. I just try to make it super simple. So hopefully these my voice gets a little bit louder. But I'll see you guys in the next video. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.